Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in Google Plus for Business, we'll discuss about the tools that are associated and that should be used, that can be used to actually optimize, do continuous improvement, track, analyze and report all the information that is related with your business account on Google Plus. The tools play a very important role. So what are the tools that can be used and implemented in Google Plus for Business is something that we'll look into today. Sprout Social and Hootsuite are an excellent tools that provide wealth of information that is related and that should be used for Google Plus for Business. If you are having an account on Google Plus for your business, what you need to do is the first and foremost thing, once you optimize the complete page and you start engaging with your audience, the followers, with the kind of content, images, photos and the information that you are disseminating across your channel on Google Plus, you need to track that information. You need to track that information, you need to report that information, you need to analyze that information so that you can take informed decisions. And for that you need the tools. Sprout Social and Hootsuite are external tools. They provide a wealth of information in terms of the number of followers, in terms of the engagement, in terms of the likes, and in terms of the engagement that is happening on Google Plus for your business. Then we have Adobe Social and we have Sprinkler, excellent dashboard management analytical tools that provide the comprehensive and illustrative information so that you can take the relevant information to understand how your campaign is doing on Google Plus in terms of the engagement, in terms of the likes and the kind of information that you need to actually optimize, what is working, what is not working, what you need to do, how you can go about doing continuous improvement to completely optimize and engage with more and more users, engage with more and more followers, provide the links are linked, what is happening on the website, the complete information can be tracked. Then we have Engager and Sprout Social. These tools basically what they do is they provide the wealth of information, complete, comprehensive and illustrative information in terms of the analytical part of your engagement with your audience. The audience are coming, the likes are happening, if the engagement is happening, growing the followers, if you're not growing the followers, what are the best part of the posts that you are posting, what posts are getting more engagements, which posts are not getting the kind of engagement that is required, what is lacking with those posts and how you can actually go about improving those posts. These are the information that is extremely critical for your business to grow more and more followers, get more and more clicks and more engagements from your followers and optimize the complete page on Google Plus. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is the Google Plus tools, the management tools and the analytical tools that are necessary for you to use, optimize, engage with your audience and grow more followers, the links, the leads and the conversions. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.